So my lawnmower wouldn't start, so I did some things to fix it. By no means I'm a mechanic, so I went in and was already broke and see what I can do. First thing I had to do was take the air filter housing off like so. Then it's a little panel back behind it. I need to take that off to get to the carburetor, which is located back behind it. That has 2 screws, a total of 4 screws and all to get all this done. Took that little vacuum line off right there. Now we're ready to get in there and get it cleaned. Draining the gas right here. Got the gas drained out of it. You do want to wear gloves while you're doing this because you're about to see, yep, all that gas drip and it gets on your hands and it does stink. And it will be on there for a couple of days. But I got that little screw off. That's what we needed to clean out. I think that was the cause. So we're going to clean out that little bit. So I did reconnect the gas line. So let's go.
So I ain't too concerned. Just try to get in there and see if I can clean it up a little bit. Like so. It's really not that bad as I thought it was going to be. Take another dry one. Yeah. All right. So that's about as good as we're going to get that there. With the pin that I took out, I put a piece of hose on there. That way I can blow air into it to see if it was clear. I put a filter cleaned up, and then we're gonna come back to you in just a second. All right, got that cleaned out. It does still look a little dirty. That's just where it's stained, but it is clean. And then I also cleaned off the gasket. We cleaned off the screw best as I could as well. Got it cleaned up. I poured alcohol through that hose that I had in there, and it slowly drained out. So I know that's just. It should be good right there. So we're gonna get this back into place. Nasty air filter back on. Old nasty. Slide that back on like so. I did clean these off the best as I could with a broom, and I did hit it with the leaf blower. Get that all tightened up. We good to go. All right, so I gotta put this hose on and then get this back connected. And we got nothing, so hold on. I just didn't find it enough time, so I'm off in here, and I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna shut it off and I'm gonna start it back up, and we should be good to go. All right, here we go. Second attempt. If it starts up, I think we in business.